Hello, thank you for watching my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Thing. This is Rue. And today, got an unboxing to do. I guess I can consider this to be a tech unboxing. So this is a Dyson Airwrap Complete. Well, technically it's a hairdryer that lets you curl your hair. Okay, anyway, let's take a look at the box. So this little thing comes with quite a lot of accessories. So it has a voluminous curl waves barrels, loose curl or waves barrels, straightener style brush, another kind of brush, and another brush. So this is what the device looks like on the inside and what it does. You guys can read it, I hope. So again, it's called the Dyson Airwrap Complete. Okay, these are all the accessories that comes with it. Gross weight 3.62 kg. Barcode, scan it. I think that's the box, so let's open it up and see what do we have. Let's feel the unboxing experience. This thing is pretty heavy, so I'm going to open it. Ooh, look at that. It comes in a nice leather case. Oh, ooh. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells leathery. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside. Wow. This thing looks pretty premium. Got some barcodes there, scan it if you want. Just some piece of paper here. And here it is. This thing is pretty huge for a hairdryer, but considering what it does, I mean, imagine you can hair blow your hair when it's wet while combing it at the same time. Can you imagine how much time that saves you? So let's open this. Ooh, shiny. Okay, this thing is pretty light. I don't know what this is. This is turning it on, I guess. Cold, heat. Oh, I think this is the speed. This is turning it on and off. Okay, Dyson filter. So we have to plug this in. 3-pin plug. Awesome, we need that. Okay, I'll put that aside. Now let's look at the accessories. What do we have here? Okay, we have some documentation. And what's in here? Look at that. A brushy thingy. I don't know what that is. Put that aside. So, okay, this is one of the brushes. Looks kind of freaky. Get that. So this is another brush. So if you look at this brush, it moves from left to right. So you know when you're blowing your hair and then you're combing it downwards, the air will follow where you comb. So then it dries your hair faster. Smart. What's next? So this is another brush. You know, I don't really know why they have this. Maybe it's easier to comb your hair with. There's a difference. So this one has that little beads. This is this with a sharp edge. Right now, this little thing, this guy are pretty interesting because if you want to curl your hair, see this little lines here? It has an airflow. Okay, the airflow comes up from here, and you don't really need to turn this thing to curl your hair. The airflow actually push your hair, and then your hair will curl into this thing by itself. Genius! Genius! So there are two different sizes for you. Boom, got that. And this one, I believe, is the common air blower. So basically, guess you put it like that. See? It's pretty strong. Oops. Okay, there's a locking system here where you press to unlock. Anything to demonstrate this with, but if your hair is right here, it will just curve by itself. I get the point, so yeah, I will just move it like so. Okay, so I'm going to use this today. My hair is wet now, so right, so this is the unboxing video for a Dyson hairdryer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment below, please share, hit like, because that will really help with the channel, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you guys next time.